Okay, today's main event is it called the Green Egg Rocket? Green Egg Rocket, and it actually has a payload of a raw egg. And the ruse is, or the trick or the hook is, can they launch this in a smooth enough way that the rocket stays together and protects the egg? Okay, friends, you ready? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, look how high it went! Oh, the chute came out. Let's see if it's opening. I can't tell yet. It is circling. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's really working. It's really coming down gently.
Over here.
Oh, we're gonna lose it maybe in the sun.
Meryl, this way, this way.
Oh, nice chute opening. Oh, that sun. Oh, here it goes. Oh, nice parachute. Wow. Okay, let's see how that egg is. Okay, uh-oh. Looks like it fell apart.
Did it survive?
Let's go see what's going on, Marigold. Where is the egg?
Look at that. Marigold.
Oh! There's the egg! It made it!
Amazing.
That's exciting. I can't believe it worked. It was just like perfect.
That's a loud one. We better get out of here.
Wow.